So, it is 10:50 at night, right? I was gonna be like, oh, welcome back to my HelloFresh unsponsored reviews. And this is like what? The sweet chili pork bowl, right? That's what I'm making. That's what's here. However, I'm just so tired of HelloFresh. I am so tired of HelloFresh. I am tired of making these damn reviews. I am over the company in general. So I'm gonna give y'all 5 reasons why you should never buy from HelloFresh. And just to make sure I'm keeping on track, I wrote all this down because I have a lot to say about the company, okay? This company is trash. Number 1, they are misleading, okay? Very misleading. For starters, not all the ingredients come in the box. You would think based off of all these sponsorships they'd be giving out like, oh, we have all your ingredients straight delivered to your door. No, you don't. They do not come. Literally this section, right? This section right here where it says like what? Bust out. This section is the stuff that it does not come with. So in this meal, for example, it did not come with kosher salt, black pepper, sugar, vegetable oil, or butter. None of that came in this meal, for example. In every meal, it has stuff it does not come with. So that is very misleading to begin with, just off of that. Also, the promotion codes do not go to all 4 boxes. The promotion codes, oh, you save money, $90 off of these boxes and all that. What they don't tell you is the way they disperse it is different, okay? Usually, your first box of HelloFresh is going to be the cheapest, okay? It's going to be the cheapest. For example, some boxes, depending on kind of promotion code you get, it can be like $23 on your box and free shipping. Oh, that sounds great. That sounds great. Next box is $42. You know, so it's just like, what? And they don't tell you. It seems very misleading because they're just, oh, off of these boxes, you're like, oh, okay, for my next couple of boxes, I'll just save this amount of money. No. They get you the first box and they're reeling you in. That way for the next boxes, 2, 3, 4, and go so on and so on, they start charging you a lot more for it. Just overall, the promotion for it is very horrible. I am not a fan. And of course, yes, like, oh, well, you should look into it, all that. But just off the fact that the way they promote themselves, it's very misleading. Very misleading. Now, number 2, I have auto charge with no notice. So follow on with the prices, right? So just imagine you're like, ah, snap. Well, my first box was $23, right? Or in my case, my first 2 boxes were like $32, right? So it's like, oh, okay, I guess. And then the next box, I'm getting charged like $47. Ridiculous. $47, my next box, okay? It's just, because going based off of number 1, they don't show you the promotion codes. And number 2 here, it's literally just the fact that, what? They just auto charge you. My issue with the auto charging, because 1, it's a weekly auto charge, okay? HelloFresh is not cheap. So just imagine getting charged $47 a month for 3 meals, and minus 3 meals per 2 servings, $47 just for that week. And then they don't give notice, okay? They give 0 notice. They don't even send you a notification like, hey, your box is coming up this week. Make sure to choose your meals. Because they don't do that. And they choose the most basic meals to give you, okay? It's the basic meals. And it does not matter what your preference is, pretty much. If you want to choose, like, you want to be keto or carb smart or whatever. To me, it's like your preference does not matter, okay? It does not matter. They're giving you the most basic meals ever and charge you a lot more money for it. That's what they're going to do. And then if you cancel it, like, oh, well, you're canceled now, but you are getting charged for this. You're going to get charged for this. You can't. So that's what they say. Pretty much you can't return it, can't get your money back. They're like, oh, we're going to charge you this amount of money. It's so stupid, the fact that they don't even notify you to change your meals. Because it's literally like you have a certain type of meals you could choose for that week. Where like 21 or 24 of the meals you can choose for the week. And they don't notify you to switch stuff out. Like, hey, choose your meals this week. Nothing. You just like, hey, your order got shipped out, and that's it. Ridiculous. Number 3, nutrition sucks, okay? Nutrition sucks with HelloFresh. This, for example, in my bowl, this, accordingly, has 960 calories in 1 serving. 960 calories in 1 serving. Are you kidding me? 1 serving? That is outrageous. And lots of these are like that. HelloFresh, like, oh, we're so healthy. We're healthy. Your number 1 meal prep delivery. No, they are not. They are not like that. They're I don't even know how they claim #1 meal kit delivery. I don't know, but their calories are trash. Okay, lots of the meals I have had, they're literally like 800, 900, 1,000 plus calories. All of these are super high in saturated fat, super high in sodium, and super high in cholesterol, okay, with very little protein. The nutrition in this sucks. It's trash, okay? The lowest that I have seen in calories is like 510 calories for an actual serving of a meal, okay? 510 calories is the lowest, even going through dozens of the meals. And the Carb Smart, it's so hard to find lower calorie ones, like especially under like 600, it's pretty hard to find those. I do not recommend this. If you're on a weight loss journey, please don't try HelloFresh, okay? My recommendation, do not try, because trying to fit your calories into this, where these meals do not really fill you up, and they're super high in calories, low in protein, but high in everything else like sodium, cholesterol, saturated fat, I do not recommend them, okay? Real quick, this is future me. I just finished recording this video. I'm gonna try this just because, you know, in the video I didn't try it, but let's just see if this is worth the money, you know? No, it's not. This meal tastes so basic. It does not taste that good. All these calories, and you don't taste good. How? So, number 4, speaking of nutrition sucks, the proportions. The proportions they said you make no sense at all. No sense. None, okay? And plus, some of these foods don't even taste all that good, okay? To be real with you. But the proportions. Tell me why I got the panini, right? I got a mushroom panini. How? How is it in this package the bread sizes are so different? They are so different. It is clear as day how different these are. Which to actually track your calories is also kind of hard too if the proportions are so off. They give you so much types of like veggies that make no sense. I'm using onions from past meals because they gave me so much onions that's so unnecessary for the amount of it. Their proportions make 0 sense, okay? 0 sense. Like, just imagine how I see HelloFresh, especially with the taste. It's just like you could just go out to eat and you'll find such tastier food. And I bet these foods probably have better nutrition, to be honest, and won't be as proportionate as this stuff they send you with HelloFresh. It is just so bad. And number 5, what pissed me off the most with HelloFresh, it just pissed me off to my core, okay? Pissed me off. For starters, one, back to the auto charging, it's like, I wanted just 3 boxes. We're gonna just do 3 boxes. I ordered 2 myself, and then my fiance, Kayla, she ordered a box, okay? Because it was cheaper for her, because my promotion was like $33, hers was $23. So we did 3 boxes, and that was gonna be it. 3 turned into 6, okay? 3 boxes turned into 6, because 2 of them got auto charged to us, of course, notification, just got auto charged to us. That was a whole thing in itself. This one though, so what happened was, how we were getting box number 6 from them is literally we deactivated both of our accounts. We deactivated, right? Deactivated. Well, we noticed with her box, with the order, they messed up her order. They messed up one of her meals. She ordered some ravioli, some spinach ravioli something, and they gave her the mushroom. Like the cheesy chicken mushroom meal is what they gave her. They gave her the ravioli, but gave her everything else completely wrong. So she's like, okay, you guys messed up my order. So she tried getting a refund. She tried getting a refund for her order, and they're like, okay, we're gonna give you $17.80 credited to your account. So you're not getting your money back here. Oh, no. You're not getting your money back here. You're not getting your money back. No, we're gonna credit your account. Not only that, the only way you can use that credit is on a non-discount box. What kind of crap is that? On a non-discounted box is when you can use that. You know how expensive HelloFresh is? It's like $9 per meal, okay? It is like $9 per meal. So you're looking at, and plus shipping, you can go like in the 60s, like it's like $65, $70 for HelloFresh, just paying non-discounted. It's cheaper for her to use her discount for her next one, they have to pay full price to use the credit because they messed up her order. Not only that, she did this on Thursday. I kid you not. They finalized their stuff on Thursday, and we did this Thursday afternoon. I kid you not. They reactivated her account and shipped her another box when she requested her refund. Bro, like how? Why? Like, it is so annoying. So now she just got charged $42 right now. She's got charged $42 out of her account because she deactivated her account. She saw they messed up one of her meals in her box. She requested her money back. And then now they're like, oh, you're going to get a $17.80 credit. And we're going to reactivate your account, I guess, so you could try to use it. But then charge you $42. The annoyance with HelloFresh. Like, it is... It's just super annoying because I said, I've seen all of these videos on HelloFresh. Yo, like, oh, we're sponsored by HelloFresh. Get this discount promotion code today. They're the number one meal kit delivery company. You get all your ingredients delivered right to your door. And the nerve of them, they're doing such shady things in the company. And best believe we are going to address them about this, especially with the last thing, how they reactivate her account and charge her another box. And we're definitely going to talk to them about that. It is just insane with HelloFresh, okay? I came into HelloFresh, I was very optimistic trying the box. And like I said, I have this, I haven't even tried this yet. It's 960 calories right here, yo. 960 calories. It's just insane. The nutrition is trash with HelloFresh, okay? Please don't ever get me HelloFresh. Because in my mind, I was like, oh, well, no, wouldn't it be nice to be sponsored by HelloFresh? No, I would never want to be sponsored by them. I'll never want to use them ever again. Never again. They are not worth the price. How? On the box here, it says 25%. That you sit there and you save 25% plus on food waste. How? How are you saving that much money? I want to know. If you are saving, please let me know in the comments. Please let me know how you're reducing your food waste by at least 25%. I am so curious to know that. Because to me, HelloFresh seems so expensive. For 18 meals, I spent over $200. And over $100 was due to auto charges and then reactivating her account. Like, it is frustrating. HelloFresh is not worth it, guys, okay? Meal prep your food. Learn how to meal prep. Because this is not worth it, okay? It is so much cheaper to meal prep your food than to order HelloFresh. So much cheaper. The only thing good with HelloFresh is that they can give you recipe ideas that you'll have to adjust to. Because once again, the nutrition is trash. So that's all I have for you guys today. Please don't buy HelloFresh. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe here to the channel. And let me know your overall thoughts on HelloFresh. So, thank you so much there, and have a good one.